everybody, my name is from the channel Los Santos Posquite and welcome to my garage. In today's episode, we gonna look at the new things they added to the trucks, and that is the new front grille and also the back of the truck. Today, on Los Santos Posquite channel, we're gonna build ourselves a delivery truck. Because what kind of garage would it be if we don't have a delivery truck? And that's what we're gonna do today, is to build ourselves a delivery truck. We need one for our company badly, and today's episode we're building it. Basically 6 screws holding all the things like that, and we got ourselves half of the truck completed. Now we need to purchase like these things. Yes, we do, because we're making a short cab edition. We're making a short cab, yes. In the future, I'm thinking about rebuilding it and making it a double cab in the future. In the future, we're gonna have a long cab. If this video gonna go well, I'll make the long edition for it. The game is a bit choppy for me, but that's okay. I'm not complaining, you know that, guys. Just have to do some changes, maybe clean up some of the stuff in my inventory, and then we should be good to go. I like this new truck. Yes, there was a lamp supposed to be for this truck, but I'm making this video again because the first time I made it, my PC crashed on me. Yeah, I don't know. I think there was a power shortage or something in my area, because the video I tried to replay got corrupted, so it didn't save. The good thing is, so we were doing the truck again. This time we're gonna do it differently, the one I did on the video, and I tell you guys in a minute why I want it to be differently. You'll see once we build the truck for yourself. So we'll be doing a bit of welding today. Because we're building ourselves a delivery truck. Well, you're probably asking yourselves, but why do we need delivery truck at this time of the video? You build the double cab. I did, indeed, yeah, but wouldn't it be cool to have a delivery truck as well? I'm gonna do something with it. If I make a good progress today and not gonna be sloppy about the video, meaning, I'm not gonna make too much mistakes. We should be going today to the junkyard. Oh, I don't know how many of those we can put on the roof. That's what we're gonna find out. That's why I bought this good few of them. I don't know how many you can place. I think 4. Well, we'll find out in a minute. Come on, please be nice. I'm building this for people. I don't think you have to put the screws in it. And I think one more in here. And I'm assuming... Look, I don't think there's... Oh. I thought there would be screws for it, but it's stuck to the roof, by the looks of it. Alright then, let's... Just to be safe... As you can tell, I'm all over the place today, because I had... a lot of builds to do. So this is not my first build. I think it's okay, it's safe, okay. First things first, we're gonna have to drive this into the paint booth. Eventually. I've got few mods installed, but they didn't work. For some reason, I couldn't get more tires and stuff like that. So, I didn't bother with the mod, so I uninstalled it. So, if anyone knows where you get the extra lift, you can tell me down in the comment below. I will appreciate any help I can get around this time. So first things first, you're thinking, is that the delivery truck done then? Oh, no, that's just the beginning, guys. As you can see, we only did the basic frame of the new truck. We still have to do interior. What I mean by interior is, look, you type in cab, and then you need something like these bad boys, and I think yeah, we get there eventually. Let's not get lost. Okay, not so bad. I thought we can put more lights than 4. To be honest, it starts to look like a truck. Alright, but that's not it, because we need headliner, cab. And we need to see here, go all cars, because the mirror apparently fits for all the cars. One minute. Sorry, I just sneezed, so I have to turn off the camera. I mean, microphone. Alright, back to the build. What do we need? Screwdriver. Yes, let's not waste a good time. And let's try to make the build exciting. If there was a zoom in key, that would be very good. But we manage. Just have to make sure it highlights green. Like this. And then we have that. That's the number 1 visor. Then we're gonna go for number 2 visors. Just like this. maybe lean in like that. Okay, and then we're gonna go to where it says windows, and we're gonna buy windshield. So at the moment we have basics done for the truck. Yes, basic. Let me check if we have everything included inside. Yeah, small steering wheel. I didn't want an original steering wheel. Ignition. Gas. Because I forgot to move something. Did I? Didn't damage it. Just the color condition is gone. 0 0 3 2 0 0, and then change color. And oh yeah, we didn't paint this. All right, let me move the Ruby truck out of the way. So she won't be interfering with today's video, even though I crashed into her. She didn't get damaged. Oh yes, hold on guys, we're not finished yet, because you see we have to go to body, and go to accessories. Trim front right and trim front right cap. I think there is a mistake in spelling. Why would there be two front cabs? Alright, never mind. Let's not get deviated. We got this. Now we need to buy tailgate lights, and we need to buy light bulbs. One box of these. Yes, because it's a backlight. And I show you something cool about these backlights. They're not like the one from the mod. You know, that you just stick them in the light holder and then there you go, job done. Be like that. No. You have to actually put the screws in, if you like it or not. What I mean by it, I show in a minute. If I can find another light holder. There, see, there's two screws sticking out. So we have to go find a screwdriver really quickly. I wish we could paint them so I can see them or say, okay, your screwdriver is here and here and here. That's the problem when I build, I always use tools. I'm gonna have to clean up in this garage eventually. Alright, so we don't want to lose, we want to tighten. There we go. And now we need to tighten this one. And then we need to paint the truck. Okay, we're gonna take one of these wrenches. Alright, so let's not waste the time because we still have to go to the junkyard today with this truck. Well, not today. We're gonna have to go to sleep, and then we take it in the morning to the junkyard. And maybe if the developer watching, you're gonna add maybe a bumper for this version of the truck, because if you put a normal bumper, there's gonna be a problem. And the problem is that it's not gonna The problem is it's gonna if you put the bumper on, it's gonna cover the lights. And I don't think you want to cover the lights. Let's see if the lights work on the roof. They look like they're working to me. Okay. We're gonna turn off so we won't waste petrol. Now paint car. I'm gonna type in just the zeros. You see, the color 0 is black. And there we go. We have a truck painted all black. Right, we're gonna put petrol in it before we continue the build. If you wanted, you could leave the truck like this on your own. If you don't want to have a boxed, like a box van, or you just want to have like that, feel free to leave it like that. But for today's video purpose, we're making the company truck, which means we have to do what the company tells us to do. Yes, I'm gonna stay longer today so we can go to junkyard. Alright, that's enough diesel for today. Sorry, petrol. Alright, we're gonna leave the truck here for now. Now, we got everything we need. Right? Yes, boys and girls. Okay. So we go to body. And I think this is the one we need for this truck. I just have to make sure. Hold on, because I don't know which one fits. Yeah, it's this one. Okay, but before we gonna put it on, we are gonna buy a paint color. But I'm thinking maybe a nice dark blue. You're probably thinking why? That's purple, right? Let's see, kind of like a purplish, yes. I want a different color on my, you know, trailer. Because the truck is black. It will be nice for the advertisement of, you know, my YouTube. And so that's why we're painting it. Just for fun. You know, you wanted me to go to junkyard. We're still gonna go to junkyard today. Apparently when I was doing the first video we didn't go to junkyard because it again crashed and I was spending too much time working on these vehicles. You know, painting them and stuff and messing around with the stickers. So today we will go to junkyard. Doesn't matter if it's painted perfectly because we don't know if we're gonna be, well, a truck is obviously gonna be like that because I said so, right? And usually what they're saying is if the boss said so, the boss said so, right? Yes, correct. Alright, we want to spray our face. There you go, you're gonna be a bit blue today. If your mom asks why you're blue, just say that your favorite YouTuber painted you blue on the face. because you asked for it. So yeah. And then we could not go to junkyard to test out, but I think I will when I test it out. So today we're just gonna prepare the truck to go tomorrow morning. So if I have to stay longer on the video, I will, just for you guys. And just like that, we got a blue trailer that is not painted perfectly, but at least looks somewhat like a trailer, right? Now, no, we're not gonna be painting it blue again. Sorry, guys. That was just one-time thing. We don't want wheels, because the wheels have to be black, because this is a black truck. Right. Let's go get the welder. Because the last bit has to be welded on. Then, guys, we're gonna go and take the truck in the morning to the junkyard to bring some junk. We're gonna see how well this truck does the job in the field. That's why we refilled it, so we can reuse it. Oh, excuse me. And just like that, just like that, we got the truck ready nearly. Now, yeah, okay, we need that one to be here, here, and here. Then follow by logo. Oh. And now we're just gonna do just some lines, because why not, right? Just so we can kind of make it look like interesting looking truck, even though it's not, because this truck is just a truck. Just trying to make some something weird, you know, something different. Doesn't matter if it's straight or not. It's just I think it's gonna be painted over anyway, eventually. So I'm just trying to figure out for something cool for today. So it'd be like, okay, at least we did something. Yep, we did. We made a truck look weird. Looks like some kind of company, rip-off company, whatever you want to call it. If you see truck like that in town with my logo, then you know someone probably liked the idea of the truck I made for them, people in the companies. Okay, I'm got stuck. Lovely. Do I have anything in the box? Yes, I do. And then tomorrow morning we'll go straight. Oh, what happened? Ah, we have to buy more stickers too. Great. And the yellow car is stuck down there. If you're asking what happened to the yellow truck, it got stuck because we ran out of diesel. So it's just sitting here.
Ever went to Steve's pawn shop? I would stay away from that place if I were you.
Well, it's my shop. Well, I'm the owner now. Thank you. Still on the line, still on the lines. Okay. Let's just finish the truck design we were doing. because this is gonna be our junkyard truck. That's what we're gonna be driving to junk. Pick it up junk every day. Well, not every day. We're gonna have a build to make, and this is gonna be our towing truck. We're gonna tow stuff from the tow truck companies when they call us. All right, so let's just make lines go like this. Doesn't matter if it's straight because it's just a game. You know, it'd be cool if you could wrap it up or make proper lines and stuff like that. But I'm just doing this, just to have fun on this game, right? Don't take this seriously, guys, because this is just a game. But if you want me to make a different design in the future, just let me know, and I personally will look into it. Doesn't have to look perfect. It's just something to do, so we have some junkyard runner. Oh, I know I did it probably different design on the boat ends, but that's the whole idea. If you want to be precise, feel free to duplicate and send me a screenshot of the way you would do if you had a chance to make a truck. It looks perfect, I have to say. It looks good. It looks good with the design we made and everything. It looks good. It looks good, everyone. I like the new proposal everyone is giving me. I have to say, we're making a progress, to be honest, with this truck. It doesn't look great and straight, the lines, but that's the whole idea. I'm not supposed to. Just, it's just something I do for fun. Sometimes I take gaming seriously. Like maybe Sons of the Forest I'm thinking about redoing again, if anyone is interested in seeing this on my channel. Feel free and I'll make it for you. Okay. On this side looks like this. On this side looks like this. Okay. We're gonna use the tin 4 inside here. And then tint 1 we're gonna use for the rest of the windows. Just like this. And the remaining tint we're just gonna put in this Mercedes, and let's go to sleep and let's go to the junkyard. Because we're never gonna get there if we're gonna be, yep, we have word delivery. Alright, let's bring the truck over with us. Maybe bit back, sit back, and brake off. Let's have a look at the weird truck we built. Oh, look at that, the lines are coming through the truck. Isn't that funny? It's on the top of the roof. Alright. So there is our delivery truck. We're just gonna stop here real quick. And before we sleep, I think this road leads to junkyard. No, you have to take the other road, going backwards. I'm just back before you close to make a custom plates. So oh, hold on, I did wrong. Deli. I'm gonna put in shorter. Deli. And why? Because we're gonna have to put delivery shortly. Short way. Delivery. Buy random. Okay. I'm gonna buy a screwdriver from you, young good old man. That's also I meant to say. Thank you. You got flat. I'm gonna take one of each. Put that here. And then we have delivery. I don't think we can put backplate on. We have no... Maybe the developer, if you're listening to me, is there an option maybe to make like we can put the plate here? Or maybe have it like sticking under one of the headlamps. Like that, for example. Or here. Thank you. Right, let's not waste time. Before we go to the junkyard, let's sleep till 8 o'clock. And a minute, we need to put that in that. Put that in the third map. And now to junkyard is backwards. Alright, we're gonna take this and see how it does for the junkyard map. Yeah, we have to go straight here. And from here, let me check. Yeah, I think that's to the junkyard. You see, I haven't driven to the junkyard that much times in this game. Look at that beautiful views we have here. Like I said, we have to pick up the delivery, deliver it home, and then that's gonna be a successful run. I think straight on. I thought we fell off the map. Imagine just building this for no reason and then find out we fell out the map. Ah yes, we're going the right way. Look, there is the lighthouse. And the junkyard is just under that lighthouse. Well, we made a junkyard runner. A truck that we can use to go to junkyard and get stuff for our cars if we need it. So let's say we're building a car today. Hold your horses. Are we going the right way? Let me check. Yes, we are. Alright. This looks like a BMG game, I know. We wash the truck when we get home. Well, maybe we shouldn't wash the truck. This is just, to do the local deliveries from the junkyard. Hello, guy from the junkyard, Bob. I'm here to pick up my daily pickup. Alright, let's see what we're gonna buy before I call it a day. Hello, Bobby.
I used to fly that plane.
Very good, sir. Let's just buy a random junk. What is this? Let's buy a rim. Let's buy a seat. Some random stuff. Roof. Seat. Bumper. Windshield. Weird front door. Just some random stuff I'm buying. The reason is because I want to fill this car up, you know, to see the capacity of holding stuff. And one more bumper just for fun, maybe a bit of that, the lamp holder, and this. Thank you. Alright. Let's see how that's gonna do. The reason I'm buying this is just to see how capable this is of transporting for the future builds. So if we have to go to the material shop, for example, sorry, interior shop, if we have to buy stuff for our cars and stuff like that, now there's an option for that. So that's why I'm loading it in. Oh. We have a bumper. You see what I mean? If you have a bumper on, guys, you won't see the lights. But maybe we will put the bumper on if we want to tow it, for example, with the trailer. Oh, I show you a trick. If you don't know if you have space, just go like this, and then we'll see if we make it home. That's what I'm trying to do. Is just you see, I'm buying random stuff just to see if this is capable of transporting the way I want it to. See, we're gonna have lots of builds in the future, so maybe if I uninstall the mods, you know, like a teleportation of parts and stuff, we're gonna have to pick up the parts ourselves. So there's the greater of that. And now we have a truck. And that's the bumper for bumper F, which is the front. Now we close the door. Thank you, Bob. And we take a screenshot for the miniature. And then we take the truck home and see how she does with delivering this back home. Of course, the outside camera view. You know I'm gonna sell this junk, right? I'm just testing the capacity of this truck. That's what we're really doing, just testing the capacity and see how the game's gonna behave. It's gonna throw the truck around and stuff like that, causing any problems. Because we're gonna have to go buy interior for the cars too, eventually. Oh. If there was a way to put the plates on, I will put the plates on. Actually, I'm gonna probably put the bumper on. Well, the truck looks amazing. I tell you, we can take her on any route we want. And just like that, we nearly made it back home. With a dirty truck and a half. Well, I didn't put the V8 engine in because it would be too fast. I wanted to make the truck a bit slower for a reason, you know? And there's the paint booth, as you can see. I'll say that was a successful trip. And we're gonna park it here. Turn off the engine. And unload the goods. I'm not gonna sell them, maybe we're gonna salvage them and use them for, since we already bought those stuff, we can reuse them for our builds in the future and stuff like that. Oh yeah. Now let's just pretend we have a delivery to this garage. Whoever the owner of this garage is, he's gonna be lucky that, you know, he got some guy do the runs for him and get him stuff he needs. E-delivery. The good news is we can put a tow bar on it if we want to. Let's just unload this bad boy, ask him for payment, and then we're good to go. And then this guy is gonna be lucky because I got him a load. He asked me to bring him stuff from the junkyard. He said to load it up all the way. I would love if we could hop in and, you know, arrange things in it if we wanted to. And this guy's happy. He's gonna pay us in a minute. I'm gonna leave him that stuff here so he can look through it and see what he wants. And that was just one of the things we can do in this game, which is build the trucks, deliver trucks. I'm thinking about building maybe a cab crew version of it. And before we go, I'm just gonna throw the screwdriver in, and I'm gonna go get the diesel and bring it in this truck to the other truck. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed today's video. My name is Fef from the channel Lasanos Poskihite, and you are watching my garage building a delivery truck B200. I have to say, it looks cool. It's already dirty. But you know, what can you beg for in this game anyways? Look. We made a beautiful truck. A Benson truck from GTA San Andreas. I'm just gonna... Oi, 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 oi. I knew it. I knew it, he's gonna crash to us. That's okay, because that's just people. And the good thing is, guys, if I damage it, I damage it. If I don't damage it, I don't damage it. Everything is good, everything is good. See, overall condition and stuff is not good because of the color, scheme, choice and stuff. I think that guy crashed into it. I scraped him off. We build a beautiful truck for deliveries. And maybe developer's gonna make a new lamps for it. And I got the engine from this little car that we built it for the off-roading. So, you know, we have a truck at least. That we can bring in for, you know, for junk and stuff like. The next one I have to do is... Actually, I'm gonna do this before I go off. Oh, look at the speed on that one. Oh. I like this game. So the color is 003200. So the paint code is 002300. And that's my girlfriend's favorite color, dark green. And now it should be all 5-star, and we can sell this car for 18 grand. Let's pack it up out of the garage. I'm thinking about making dark windows on the back so we won't be able to see inside the cab. Ooh. And just like that, we've got ourselves lots of cars done today. Thanks for watching. My name is Hit. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and leave a damn comment below. What should be the next build? Shall we make another truck? Or maybe we should take this truck for the trip to the interior store maybe, and bring some interiors for the car future builds. I leave it up to you. Or maybe we should just leave it the way it is. I think there's a problem because it looks like the starter is gone on it, see? And I lost a dipstick for the oil. What do you think of this, guys? Do you like it? I like this build. I have to fix it up by the looks of it. We have a burned starter. Those cars won't be perfect forever, just to let you know. So if it burns or bursts, we have something to fix. I can always remove the top of it and put it somewhere else. Thanks for watching, and see you all in the next video.